How to fix if your iPhone Bluetooth is not working. Well, hi everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can fix iPhone Bluetooth not working issue. Well, first things first, to fix your Bluetooth issues, you want to toggle it off and on in the settings. So open up settings, head into Bluetooth and toggle it off and toggle it back on. Now, if you're trying to pair to a certain device and it's not showing up or you're not being able to see it in the other devices option, what you're going to do is make sure that you are on Bluetooth pairing mode on that particular device. So it can be the problem with that device that you're trying to pair with, not only on your iPhone. So you want to make sure of that. Now, if you're certain that the glitch is within your iPhone, then you want to restart your iPhone simply. Check if you're able to connect to any other devices, right? And if you're unable to connect to that particular device, so you want to make sure that it is on pairing mode, you want to make sure it is charged and such. And also toggle your airplane mode on and off to refresh all wireless connections. Also ensure that both your iPhone and the Bluetooth accessory has sufficient battery in it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.